What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright, guys, I am back. I want to talk about the copypastemethod.com. Go check that out after this video. The link is in the description, www.thecopypastemethod.com, aka Infinity Processing System. I want to show you how I used a strategy, okay, from this training, and I was able to receive lots and lots of leads, people asking for more information, okay. This is definitely something you need to take a look at. If you've been following me, you already know one of the other programs that I'm a part of, a reseller of the 10x income system. I used these same strategies to get 24 sales, okay, in that system, okay. So let's go talk about it. Let me just show you what this is all about, and I'm going to show you some of the results that I've gotten by using one of the simple strategies. All right, so let's go take a look at this website. As you can see, it's customized to me, has my picture, my social media link, my name there. You're gonna get the same thing. When you get started, just decide which product you want to purchase, guys. This is very simple. Get started, post ads on social media, and get paid. Okay, this is 100% commissions. It's direct sales, member to member. When someone joins or purchases a product from your link, okay, you're going to be paid instantly, okay? It's very simple. They don't overthink it. They don't hype up this program at all because it's actual training, internet marketing training, digital education, okay? It's e-learning. Information products. That's what I love about affiliate marketing. I love the digital products. As soon as you purchase this, I'm going to send you a link. You're going to instantly have access to the product you purchase, just like that. Okay, so you just decide if you want the influencer brand marketing. It's only $50. These are one-time investment. There's no monthly fees here. With this starter level, just take a look at this at www.thecopypastemethod.com. With this one, you get 30 ads that you can post, 20 image ads. Okay, it's a lot of training in here, but the specific things I want to point out is you're going to get pre-written ads that you can post. You don't have to worry about figuring out, well, how do I post, what do I post, when do I post, okay? Because people are making sales from making posts on social media. Social media is free. You're watching me right now. This is a free ad, okay? You can literally go post something on Facebook and it will attract people, and they're going to want to know, well, what is this all about? They're going to come back to you. That's what it's called, attraction marketing. Okay, you put something out and it piques someone's interest, and they go, hey, I want more information. How do I find out more? And that's what attraction marketing is. And then when they do that, then you in turn, you're in control, then you in turn send them your link to whatever you're promoting. And these ads can be used universally, okay? Universal with any program. Doesn't matter, okay, what you're promoting. But I am promoting this, and I wanted to show you these strategies, okay? I use these same strategies to get those 24 sales over there in the other program, the 10x income system. So you can do the same thing. So it also has Craigslist ad marketing strategy here, okay? It tells you what to do on Craigslist, okay? Then you have 30 Facebook groups that you can post in, okay? So that's the starter level. Then you have the internet automation secrets, okay? So you get additional training over here. YouTube, Instagram, 60 Facebook groups. You get that 7-day success action plan. You want to follow this action plan. It tells you exactly what to do. You get 100 pre-written ads over here and 40 bonus image ads, guys. So it's a lot of great training that you can use to promote anything. So it's $150 for this one, and there's a one-time fee of that $25 for your website. So all these are one time. So 50 for the starter, 150 for the elite, and then I have the pro level. I have all of the training, all in, everything that Andrea can provide, Adriana provided. I have it all. She actually gave us the blueprint of how she made 6 figures for the last 5 years. So in this pro level, I have 200 pre-written ads, 60 bonus image ads. I have TikTok training, YouTube mastery, Instagram. I mean the whole shebang. Even 30 days of email marketing. Okay, so how did I do 24 sales? I'm gonna tell you what I used. I used Instagram. I used email marketing, YouTube. Those are some of the ones I used to make those 24 sales, guys. So you can do the same thing. Okay, you don't have to guess how are we doing this stuff. Here it is right before you. So it'll be 300 plus the 25 to get this one. But guess what? You get paid instant commissions for this too. You're able to make $50, $150, and $300 commissions if you come in at that pro level. If you purchase that pro level product, you're purchasing digital products. This is internet marketing training. Okay. Now, if you do not purchase that product, the specific product, you won't get a commission. So in other words, if you say, well, I'll just buy the starter level package. If you buy that package and then you promote your website here and someone purchases the elite or pro, you will not get any commissions on that. Okay. So you want to try to position yourself best as possible. Okay. But if you can't, get started and you can upgrade. Okay. So you pay the difference then. I believe it's $15 for the upgrade. All right. If you have any questions, give me a call, but go check out the website first at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Okay. Get this training. It's universal, guys. Okay. So even if you're in a program right now, especially my 10Xers, okay, purchase this to help you get the organic sales. Okay. This is what people are doing. They're using one of these methods, and this is how they're doing it. Okay. I'm speaking for me personally. I already know, and you know, that's how you join me. So get this training. So you can, how you get paid, you decide, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, Zelle, however you want to get paid. You're able to list 3 methods, up to 3. If you only have one, you only have one, but you're able to list up to 3 ways you would like to receive payments, because you're paid instantly. As soon as someone purchases either one of these products, they're paying you directly. Okay. All right. So let's, I'm going to show you some results from that, one of the strategies, but go here to the page, watch this video right here, guys, and then come down and watch this one. This is going to help you kind of decide which product you want to purchase. Okay. And then go here and look at some illustrations on, depending on which product you purchase. You can kind of visualize, as it tells you right here, visualize kind of what type of income you would like to earn. Of course, we can't guarantee any sales because we don't know your worth ethics, but the potential is here, the possibilities, if you apply yourself and apply the strategies consistently, okay, to get results. All right. So let's go. Let me show you. I'm using a capture page. I automate all this stuff. Okay, that's what I do. I do automation. I can show you how to do it as well. So one of the pages that I'm using is what attracted all these people. I'm using the Conversion Pros. If you would like to get the marketing system I'm using, I'll put that link below as well. Because what you get with this is you just get the website. You don't get a capture page or email follow-up series, okay? But let me show you what I'm using. Hang on. Okay, this is a page I created in the Conversion Pros. You see, it's very simple, okay? Nothing major, no money flying in the air, no Lamborghinis, any of that. And you see what I have here, a simple $300 a day blueprint. Provide your best email. That's it. That's all I'm asking for. We've got this lady in the background with her smartphone, and we have a button here that says show me. Once they enter their information, it takes them to my website, which is this page here. Okay, so I have them going right to this page once they enter their information. Okay, so let me show you how many leads came in from that page. Okay, I'm in my back office, my members area of the Conversion Pros. So right here, it asks you for the lander, right? So it's asking you for what's the name of the page. Okay, so right here, I'm going to show you IPS. Okay, I am in the back office of the Conversion Pros, and I name the page IPS. So I click search, and it's going to show me all the names of the folks. And I'm going to cover their information for privacy protection. So hang on a second. Okay, right here, you see this? 99 people actually asked for more information from that page that I put out there, guys. So the strategies do work. Okay, this page right here. This page. Okay, so you definitely can do the same thing. Apply these strategies to whatever you're promoting, whether it's the 10X income system or whatever it is. Okay, or just this system. If you don't have a program that you're a part of and you're looking for something, this will be perfect. The copypastemethod.com. Go check it out. Get this training and get started. Now, it will take about 2 days, 24 to 48 hours for your website to be created. But as soon as you get started, you make the purchase, you will have access to your members area. You just won't have your link yet because it will take 24 to 48 hours for them to create that website with your picture and all your buttons and everything on it. Okay, so other than that, you're good to go, guys. This is the back office. See the membership area? You're going to have access to this immediately. You just won't have your link yet. Okay, hope that makes sense. You want that because you're going to want your picture and a link here for someone. If they go here and they're interested and they may have a question, they can just click this button and they can message you. Okay, so that way people will have that personal touch. Okay, so you definitely want this website, and that's why it takes 24 hours, because they have to have it coded to you with your buttons, your payment buttons linked in there. All right, so with that being said, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Get this training, the copypastemethod.com. Go check it out. Get started, get this training, start applying these strategies, okay, in whatever you're promoting. This is going to help you with that. If you don't have anything to promote, make this your primary business. Start earning the $300 commissions, the $150, the $50, or the $50, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Be safe out there. See you on the inside. Have a blessed day.